We'd like to introduce the Arden Shakespeare Play Collection, Text and Language, a new collection now available on Drama Online. This collection provides the Arden Shakespeare third series of 42 plays alongside the landmark multi-volume, the Arden Encyclopedia of Shakespeare's Language, all in one digital space. You can navigate between the plays and accessible dictionary-style analysis of Shakespeare's words for a richer understanding of the plays and the period in which they were first written and performed. Use the Show Notes functionality to access extensive notes and commentary for each play, selecting a notes pop-up or highlighted word. Seamlessly look up meanings of words in the encyclopedia whilst reading a world-leading Arden Shakespeare edition using the new Look Up tool on the playtext page. And find out more about each word with a definition contextually appropriate to the 16th and 17th century. Plus, read articles on each play, analysing linguistics, characters, and character networks. The Arden Shakespeare Play Collection, Text and Language, is available for purchase via subscription or perpetual access now. Arrange your free trial today.